Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope everyone is doing well. On this video, I wanted to talk about passive income business model compared to a business where a model where you're doing a whole bunch of stuff to make that business successful, right? So let's talk about this, right? So let us first discuss about the issue and problems that actually come into building a passive income business model with a traditionally spoken about business model, which is YouTube automation and affiliate marketing, right? Most of the time people, they don't realize the amount of work that actually goes into making this business successful. If you look at into YouTube automation, right, you need to go out there and look for your team, and then start producing videos where you're going to be uploading videos on a consistent basis, and you're going to be paying your team on a continuous ongoing basis. Talking about between $350 all the way up to $1,000. You're going to be paying your team to be creating the videos for you, right? And then aside from that, you will be dealing with issues with YouTube, like copyright issues, channels getting strikes, channels getting demonetized, monetizing your channel, right? So there's a lot of things that people actually don't talk about, and they're just trying to sell you their YouTube automation formula and guide to make you successful with the YouTube automation business model, right? Now let's discuss about affiliate marketing and the issues with affiliate marketing, right? Even though you're not creating your own products, you're not creating your own services, right? But to actually get someone to actually buy whatever you product or services you're offering, you need to be building an audience, right? People, they don't have that much audience, especially in the beginning when you're getting started. So it actually takes time for you to build audience. So once you have enough rapport with your audience, and when you trying to pitch your offers to them, they actually just go and buy it, right? But this doesn't happen overnight. It takes a while. You're looking at about 3 to 6 months to be able to build an audience. Sometimes it takes a bit longer. So YouTube automation and affiliate marketing, it's not a completely passive income business model, because it requires you to be always uploading content, creating content, doing your research, hiring your team, channels getting monetized, copyright issues, channels getting strikes and all that. And even though you hire a team, even though you already have a monetized channel, another topic is understanding the YouTube algorithm. Because even though you got a good video, even though your channel is monetized, right, even though your videos high quality videos, you need to understand the algorithm and how it works, so your videos can be recommended by YouTube to get more and more audience, and more views equals more revenue. Okay, but you cannot do that when you actually getting started, right? So be prepared to put out like 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's on top of what you're actually paying the gurus to teach you how to actually do it the right way, right? So those are the two business model that's normally spoken about, and the disadvantage and also the advantage. The advantage can be it's a passive income business, right? But it's not fully passive, right? It's semi-passive, where the reason I'm saying that, because you're gonna be involved in this business model on an ongoing basis, right? If you don't create content, if you don't publish content, you're not gonna be making money, right? It's gonna be very difficult. Okay, so now let's discuss about the passive income platform and how this business model is really different to YouTube automation and affiliate marketing. So the passive income business model is literally you start to make money within 24 hours from starting. Okay, and it's a guaranteed way you're going to be earning income, right? So on your actual investment, you're getting somewhere between 1.33% all the way up to 2.33%, getting on a daily basis on the actual investment. And once you put the actual investment on the actual platform, like, you're not doing anything, right? The money is just getting pumped up into your account every 24 hours, and you can actually withdraw that money, put in your bank account, and let the professionals actually do all the hard work, right? So that's the reason I stopped doing YouTube automation and also affiliate marketing. Yes, I do have just one channel left in the YouTube automation business model, but I didn't stop YouTube automation and affiliate marketing because I wasn't making money, right? The reason I stopped is because I can see the potential in this, and I was always looking for that guaranteed income day by day and month by month, right? And I was already making like 10, 15, 20,000 from my YouTube automation channel. So for me to stop YouTube automation, right, and you've seen my results, if you go on my channels, you can see my results, the results I was actually getting from my YouTube automation business and also affiliate marketing. You know that I was actually getting results, but the reason I only stopped is because I see the potential, and where energy goes, attention flows, right? Energy goes, your attention is more captivated into that thing, the money will actually start to flow automatically. That's what I'm actually doing. That's the reason I'm putting more focus and attention into it, because there's like 5 or 6 different income streams together with the daily income that we're getting. There's more potential, and the more potential to make money like I haven't seen anywhere. Compare this to YouTube automation and affiliate marketing, I'll always choose this passive income platform, and this is the by far the easiest way to be making money in the online space, right? So I hope I answered your question, why did I move out of YouTube automation game and affiliate marketing? Because I see more potential in this passive income platform. Again, if you want to know about this passive income platform, connect to me via Facebook, and I'll be able to share with you how I'm earning, and I'll also share with you my proof, right? My real proof, what amount I'm actually earning on a weekly basis, so I can see it for yourself. Again, thank you so much, and my God bless you. Bye for now.